Assalamu alaikum and good morning students. It's biology for class 10 and topic is going on how do organisms reproduce. With the same topic in my last class I explained you what is reproduction and what is the importance of reproduction. In today's class I'm going to explain you what is asexual reproduction and what are the types of asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is a type of reproduction in which a new individual is formed or produced from a single parent. Means in this type of reproduction only one parent is involved and without the involvement of sex cells or gamete. As I told you in my previous class also that reproduction is of two types, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is a type of reproduction in which new individuals are produced from a single parent without the involvement of sex cells or gamete. Here only one parent is involved and gametes are not formed. There are the different type of asexual reproductions like fission, budding, regeneration, fragmentation, spore formation, vegetative propagation, etc. So students, asexual reproductions are of different type. It is like fission, budding, regeneration, fragmentation, spore formation, and vegetative propagation. The first type, that is fission. Fission means breakdown. Okay, so you can see first here the images. These are the images of asexual reproduction. This is fission, where one organism split into two. This is budding, where an outgrowth is formed. This is also budding. This is regeneration. This is the image of fragmentation, and this is the image of spore formation. So these are the different type of asexual reproduction. Now the first type, that is fission. What is fission? Fission is a type of asexual reproduction by which a unicellular organism divides and forms two or more individuals. Student, here you have to take care that fission. In fission also, which organisms are involved? Unicellular organism. Unicellular means only having a organism which have only one cell. Okay, you know which are the different examples of unicellular organisms like the amoeba, paramecium, etc. Okay, and so what is fission? Fission is a type of asexual reproduction by which an organism divides and forms two or more new individuals. Fission is of two types. First one is binary fission and second one is multiple fission. Bi means two. So binary fission is a type of asexual reproduction in which one organism divides and forms two new individuals. Means one organism split and divide into two. Here you can see the example of amoeba. This is an image showing the binary fission in amoeba. In binary fission, first the organism reaches to its maturity level, means first the organism become mature. Then the division start first in the nucleus, you can see over here. First the division start in the nucleus and then it is followed by the cell body. Means you can see first the division start in the nucleus and then the cell membrane also start dividing. And in this way you can see here one organism divide into two. Means one amoeba form the two daughter amoeba. Understood? So this type of reproduction is known as binary fission. So what is binary fission? Binary fission is a type of asexual reproduction in which an organism divides and forms two individuals. And how it is take place? In this, first the nucleus divides and forms the two nuclei, and then the cytoplasm divides and forms the two daughter cells. Examples of binary fission in which the organism in which the binary fission take place, that is amoeba, paramecium, etc. Now, as I told you, fission is of two types. What is the another type of fission? That is called multiple fission. Multiple by name only you can understand, where the organism divides into many daughter cells. The best example is Plasmodium. Plasmodium, it is a protozoan and it causing a disease which is malaria. So it is also known as malarial parasite. You can see over here, first the division start, the nucleus you can see here two, then more than two, and then many. And then the cytoplasm cover the nucleus. And in this way, when it bursts out, the cell membrane will burst out, and then one organism will divide into so many daughter cells will be formed. So this type of reproduction is known as multiple fission. So what is multiple fission? A type of asexual reproduction in which one organism divides into many daughter cells. So student, here I want to say the difference also. What is the difference between the binary fission and multiple fission? Very simple. In binary fission, one organism divides into two. And in multiple fission, one organism divides into many daughter cells. Clear? Now the next type of reproduction, that is budding. Bud. Budding means bud. Bud means an outgrowth. Okay. So budding is a type of asexual reproduction in which a bud means an outgrowth is formed on the body of the organism, and then this bud develops into the new individuals. Then it will separate itself from the parent form a new individuals. How it take place? You can see here the image. This is Hydra. Okay. So Hydra is a microscopic organism, and you can see here an outgrowth. An outgrowth is coming out of the body, and slowly this outgrowth is increasing in its size on the body, on the parent body itself only. Okay. And when it's reached to a certain growth, then what happen? It will detach itself. Detachment means it will separate itself. It detaches itself from the parent body and grow into a new individuals. Understood? So what is budding? Budding means in which a bud will come out of the parent body, and then it develops on the parent body, and after a certain growth it detaches itself or separate itself from the parent body and grow into a new individual. The another example of budding is yeast. Yeast is a fungus which you are using to prepare the cake, pastries, etc. And here you can see it is a single cell organism in which the bud is coming out. Sometimes there are the chain of bud also develop on the body. Okay, then they separate themselves and grow into a new individuals. So these are the two examples of budding. If I'm asking you what is the difference into the budding in Hydra and yeast, only one simple example. Hydra is a multicellular organism and yeast is a single cell organism. Understood, student? Now the next, that is fragmentation. Now what is fragmentation? Fragmentation is also a type of asexual reproduction. The best example of fragmentation is alga, Spirogyra. You have seen on the pond or lake, etc. sometimes the green patches, the alga is there. Okay, that green patches you see after some time they will spread. Okay, very fast spreading take place. It is because of fragmentation. In fragmentation, the multicellular organism It takes place in the multicellular organism. First, it breaks it into the simple, smaller pieces, and each smaller piece is known as fragment. And then this fragment will become mature. They reach to the maturation and develop into a new individual, like the fission only. But here what happened? The fission take place in the single cell organism and fragmentation take place in the multicellular organism. Understood, student? So what is fragmentation? In the fragmentation, the body of a multicellular organism breaks up into the smaller pieces on maturation. Means when the organism become mature, it breaks its body into the smaller piece, and each smaller piece is known as fragment, and each fragment then develop into the new individuals. Example is spirogyre. So students, in my today's class, I explained you the different method of asexual reproduction, and today I explained you about the fission, then budding, and then fragmentation. A fast recalling what I have taught you today. Today I taught you what is asexual reproduction. It is a type of reproduction in which one organism produce a new young one. Means only one parent is involved and the formation of gametes does not take place. There are the different type of asexual reproduction like fission, fragmentation, spore formation, budding, etc. The first one is fission. Fission is a type of reproduction in which organism divides its body. There is binary fission and multiple fission. Binary fission in which one organism divides into two. Examples are amoeba, paramecium. Binary fission takes place in unicellular organism. Understood? Second one is coming multiple fission in which one organism divides into the many daughter organism, many daughter cells. Okay, example is paramecium. Paramecium is malarial parasite. It causing the disease malaria. Then I explained you about the budding. Budding is a type of asexual reproduction in which an outgrowth is coming on the body of organism. That outgrowth is called bud. This bud is growing on the parent body and slowly and gradually it develops on the parent's body only. When it reaches to a certain growth, then it detaches itself from the parent body and grow into a new individual. And then I explained you about the fragmentation. What is fragmentation? Fragmentation takes place in the multicellular organism like Spirogyra. When it reaches to its maturity level, it breaks its body into the smaller pieces. And each smaller piece is known as fragment. And this fragment develops into the new individual. Understood, student? That other different type of asexual reproduction I will explain you in my next class. Remain connected with the study. Inshallah, soon we will meet in our school. Have a nice day ahead. Take care of yourself.